Money boxes are great. They help you to connect with a place and motivate yourself to build up those savings. But what if I tell you that you can take it to the next level? Stay with me and watch until the end, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can lock and earn more money with those funds. For financial coaching and travel tips, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notifications every Tuesday, New Zealand time, when I upload a new video. Money boxes are great. They really help me to create this connection with my next holiday and to realize that I was doing something for that trip. But when it comes to money, I was facing two problems. First one, I was losing money due to inflation because that money was doing literally nothing on that box. And second one, it was exposed to be the quick money out fund. So what I did was to came up with this new way to do it where I get the same motivation and I can earn a lot more. The first thing that you need to do is to ask your bank about Notice Saver. So a Notice Saver, it's an account where you agree with the bank to give a notice before you withdraw those funds. In return, the bank will give you a higher rate for the money. The second one is that you need to personalize that account. Put something that really motivates you and create that connection with the place you want to go. So put a stunning title and a beautiful picture that motivates you to keep up your savings. Comment below what will be that stunning title that you will put where you want to go. And the number 3 is say the magic words. How much time do you want to give the bank notice? On my bank, I got two options. Either I go for 30 days or for 90 days. Obviously, if you pick the 90 days, you will have a greater return than if you choose the 30 one. Number 4 is to set up a due date on that account. When you will start to using the money. When will be you be booking the accommodation or the travel tickets? When will you start using those funds from that account? And set up that day down. Number 5 is just start using it. Add more money on that account every week or every month, depending on your cash flow, and start building your savings. That's how easy and almost without realizing it, you have invested in a really conservative way and reevaluate those funds that you had in your travel box. If you like this type of content, let me know on the comments, share this video, like it, comment, and tag me on your stories. alejandrarchannel. I want to know where are you going next. See you next time.